What's up, everybody? This is Me Cut NSX on Instagram. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't tuned in before, you might want to watch some of my previous videos to kind of understand what's going on. Because if you're just watching this video, there's a good chance you're a purist and you're going to be very angry with me. So before you track me down and shoot me or stab me or any kind of mean thing you want to do to me for cutting an NSX in half, go refer to the other thing and the other video, and you guys will understand why this is going on, why this is the best scenario for these cars, this particular car. I have loved the NSX since I was 9 years old. The first time I saw one, my dentist had it. Me and my friends used to skateboard down there and just go stare at his car all day. I purposely ate candy. I wanted to go to the dentist just so I could go look at the freaking car. Like I said, I've wanted one since I was 9 years old. I worked very hard to get my first NSX, and any of the other NSXs I've owned, I worked equally as hard for. This particular one, there's a good reason for me cutting it in half. It's the best fate for this car, and I think it's kind of a neat idea, a little bit outside of the box, and it'll get some good use, especially when I'm going cross country with my dog, which I'm really looking forward to doing. I'm hoping this pandemic we have going on right now won't affect my scheduling for it. I'm planning on leaving in a couple months, which means I'm very pressed for time. I have to finish this trailer, do my timing belt, water pump service, and the NSX, the 96 Targa I have. I want to put a clutch in it and do all the coolant hoses. I'll be documenting all that. That's for the NSX subscribers that are owners. But yeah, enjoy. And this video is watch me cut my NSX in half. Enjoy. Alright, I have had so many options on where I'm going to cut this thing. I finally have just had it, and I'm going to send it. So here it goes, cutting the NSX. Viewer discretion is advised, yada yada yada. Okay, there it is, the NSX trailer. So I think that's the design I'm going to go for. And I bought a few of these remote control cars to kind of pick it. And this was the one I was leaning towards, this design. And this is the first one I made, and first attempt, and I think it looks proportionally pretty good. So, yeah, now it's time to actually do it. Point of no return now. I don't think I can uncut it. No. Now I can make it into a limousine. I made a photoshopped image of it. We also made the driving simulator using the front clip. What do you think? Leave comments below. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. I appreciate you tuning in. I appreciate the support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And stay tuned for more videos coming shortly. I try to release one every week. Thanks.